Hi everyone, welcome to another DIY video. Today I'm making a pumpkin shaped velvet footstool. For that, the first thing I'm using is a round shaped plywood and drilling a hole right in the center point. Then I'm marking its shape to a form. Cut it out using a regular knife. Then I cut out a small part around 1.5 inch from its center. The plywood has a laminated top, so I sand it to make it a bit rough so that we can use the glue on it. Then I use an all-purpose glue before attaching the foam. Spread the glue well. Then place the foam on it. Let it dry, and once it is dry, I'm using some more glue and using a round cushion pad to get a pumpkin effect. You can use regular fiber or foam, whatever available. Then I'm using a thick layer of fiber which will easily cover the base foam. Then I place it on top of a stand and cover it with 1/4 inch foam. Adjust the foam well and use staple gun to secure the foam from all sides in a cross shape. Then I bring it back to the table and secure the foam with extra pins. Trim the extra sides of the foam. Then I'm using a water and fire resistant mattress cover sheet and cover it the same way like we secure the foam sheet. Here is a beautiful velvet fabric in purple color. First of all, make sure there is enough fabric to cover all around. So use a pin on one side and move to the other side and use the pin there in a forward direction. Like that, we can make sure it is covering it all around. Then you can take your own time and secure it well from one end to the other. Trim the extra end of the fabric. Here I am using an upholstery needle and wax cord. Thread the needle with the wax cord and go through the center hole. Once you meet the other side, just pull it out and bring back to the inner side. You can tie the knot to secure it, but here I am using an easy way. I'm securing the cord using the pin, and the same way bring the other end of the cord and pull it really tight to get the shape of a pumpkin and secure it. Here you can see how I did it. Tie a knot at the end to secure it from going backward. Likewise, we need to go along and to make many separations. Once I finished shaping it, I used a button like this to add at the center. Then I am using an upholstery lining fabric which is water and fire resistant to cover the inner side. Cut it out into the round shape. Fold the seam inwards and secure it with the staple pins. Finally, I am using 4 metal legs like this, and it's really beautiful. Then I get a help to fix it well. The legs should be fixed by following the instructions of the kind of legs you are using. And here is my final product, and that's it for today's video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And see you next time. Bye bye.